In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a background transparent in Adobe Express. If you're creating a logo, a product photo, or a clean graphic for a presentation, a transparent background lets your image blend seamlessly into any design without a visible box or unwanted color around it. Start by opening Adobe Express. You can use it in a web browser or the app. Upload your image by dragging it into the workspace or selecting it from your device. High-resolution images usually deliver the best results, especially when you have fine details like hair, edges, or small objects. Once your image appears on the canvas, make sure it's selected so the editing options are visible. At the top of the interface, click Remove Background. You'll see this in the top toolbar once the image layer is selected. This is a one-click action that tells Adobe Express to find your subject and separate it from the background automatically. It's a great time saver and works well for most photos and graphics. Give it a few seconds to process. The AI will analyze your image and remove the background, revealing a checkerboard pattern that indicates transparency. If the subject is clearly defined, you might be done right away. Complex textures may need a brief touch-up, which is perfectly normal. To refine the edges, use the Erase or Restore brushes. Erase removes any leftover background you don't want, while Restore brings back parts of your subject if the tool removed too much. Zoom in around edges, especially near hair, fur, or intricate shapes. Adjust the brush size so you can make precise edits on tight corners, then switch to a larger brush for broad areas. If you make a mistake, use Undo and try a smaller brush or a steadier pass. Aim for clean edges, and remember that a slightly softer edge can look more natural when placed on different backgrounds. When you're satisfied with the cutout, click Download. Choose PNG as your format to keep the transparency. PNG supports transparent backgrounds, while JPEG does not, so PNG is essential here. If prompted for size or quality, pick the option that preserves your original resolution for the sharpest results. Save the file to a place you'll remember. That's it. You've opened your image, removed the background, refined the edges, and exported a transparent PNG. Use this file in presentations, websites, social posts, or layered designs without any unwanted background showing through. Practice with a few different images to get comfortable with the brushes, and you'll be creating clean, professional cutouts in minutes.